Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can get a refund from Expedia in 2025. Make sure to switch or watch till the end. As we are going through the entire process step by step, let's get started. Your first thing you will need to do is open the Expedia website. Once you're there, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top of the page. You'll now see the home page with several sections, including trips, support, and account. Click on support at the top of the page. Now wait for the support page to load. Once it does, look for a section called Explore Help Articles. Under this, click on Refunds and Charges under the Help topics. Next, select the relevant help article based on your refund needs. You'll find in options like refund timelines, policies, and refund basics. To understand the refund option, available flight, hotels, and other bookings. If you're ready to proceed, just follow the instruction in the article and you should be all set. And that's it. That's how you can easily get a refund from Expedia. Thanks for watching and I'll show you in the next one.